So I haven't done a video in a while. It's Michelle at Kookaburra Bird Shop, and today is March 10th, 2014. Here we have our little military macaw. He's looking for a new home, or a home. Not new, he lives here. It's a boy. He's very cute. He likes to play quite a bit. He's starting to talk. Here we have our little caiques, little monkey birds. They like to play upside down, all around. Definitely won't have a bored moment if you get one of these guys. Let's see, where are we going? Oh, somebody would like to come right over. What are you doing? Hi. Then we have a little Goffin's cockatoo. He'll come right over and it's not shy at all. This little guy likes lots of cuddles. We have Miranda. Can you wave to us, Miranda? Say hi. How you doing? Of course, Miranda. She's our resident Scarlet. You can always come in and get your pictures taken with her. We have a baby blue and gold macaw who's going to puff up his head and act like a baby. Look at that baby head. Oh, we're going to do our wing too. Hi. How are you doing? He's very cute. And we have another military macaw who likes to play. And we have Scallywag who likes to scream at us. He's another one of our residents. Hi, Scallywag. We hear ya. And we have some baby cockatiels. We'll walk around over here. You can hear the cockatoos in the background. These are cockatiels. Much more pleasant. These are some new babies. They are just weaned and will be ready to go home Saturday if anybody wants to come get one. We have Cinnamon and a Pearly Pied. We have little Dende conures. Now those gorgeous little birds. We have several singing canaries. Of course, they never sing when you have the video, and you got Scallywag screaming in the background. Let's see if somebody can sing for us. Let's see if anybody's gonna sing in here. Anybody gonna sing? Here we go. Here's the singing guy. Ah, what a beautiful song. Well, I gotta go answer the phone. So that is enough of our videos for today. Hope to see you, and always come in and listen and visit our babies.